tools. I'm going to show you how to use a couple of tools. These are some wooden sticks and a roller. This helps create a slab of clay. You want the slab to be fairly thick, like the same thickness as whatever wood you're using. This one helps scrape or cut off any kind of edges you want. Any of these plastic or wooden tools help cut in different ways, however you want to use them. They can also help scrape and drag the clay. Like if you're going to connect two pieces of clay, it helps pull them together. A fork, you can figure out how to use a fork any way you want. A knife is just a piece of metal and it just cuts. It's a really thin piece of metal, so it cuts well. These are just some different kinds of tools to make shapes, to create shapes, however you want to use them. I also have these little like punch shapes. It punches the shapes. I haven't quite used them too much, but I think you need a bit thinner of a piece. And then just push it in just like a cookie cutter. And then it pushes it out. But it does make a hole in the center, so you'll have to experiment with those. And this little tiny flower, maybe I'll attach it to another project I have. Maybe right here on this dog. And if you attach any pieces of clay, first you must score with this wooden tool. This is a good scoring tool, a drawing tool, and a little bit of slip, just a little bit. And then I'm going to use one of those plastic tools and help pull the clay down to attach the clay. My fingers are too big to get in here. Sometimes your fingers are a good tool too. But I needed something more tiny, more delicate. So that's what these plastic and wooden tools are good for. Okay.